Okay, so in order to start the Powerpuff Girls, we're going to make 3 ellipses for the heads. One here in the center, the other here on the side, slightly tilted, and the other one on the opposite side. Now to make their bodies, I'm just going to make a rectangle, and I'm going to have to modify the rectangle depending on the position. Take a look at this one. The one on the opposite side is going to follow the same pattern as the previous one. So let's draw the drops now, which are going to be their arms and legs. Now in order to help me, I'm gonna divide the ovals in the middle. They don't have a nose, so that's gonna be the middle of their faces. Now as I work on details, I come across the eyes, which are circles, inside circles, and I have to be careful not to lose count of them. Okay, this is a basic sketch. Now I'm gonna get the marker and work on the external lines. Now I'm gonna use a black felt tip pen to cover the larger areas. Now I'm gonna use some watercolor for the energy track. And once again the day saved. I hope you have enjoyed the video, so please my friends, leave a like and subscribe. It helps us make new videos every day and it helps us improve our quality. Thanks for watching, see you next time, bye bye.